Refrigerator.
Refrigerator, okay. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Refrigerator, big like Schwarzenegger, Arnold. What you gonna do? It's a incinerator. Maybe I can see you later. Like a refrigerator, keeping this shit cold, but it is no Terminator. Let me get to where I'm going. I cannot explain. These are just the words that are coming out my brain, emanating like some rain, dropping just like some drops. I be tapping into source, and I'm hoping I never stop. Listen. Today was a beautiful day. I accept it and I give thanks for amazing grace. I give thanks for the protection that was given. I give thanks for the money that we made and the provisions. I give thanks that I got food in my refrigerator. When I get home, I can cook it. Maybe see you later. Which way we going? I think we going the right way. Yeah, we go the right way. Anyways, I ain't no Scrooge like Ebenezer. Right on top of refrigerators, that's where we keep the freezer. Next to that is maybe where the oven's kept. We're talking kitchen, knowing that we never wet. I get to where I'm going, chilling in my house like a blouse over a mouse. What it means when I'm ouch, like the grouch like Oscar. I am just doing what I'm doing. The customer gave me pasta. Listen.